and welcome back to my channel. My name is Karina and today I'm going to be showing you how to make my homemade shampoo using only 4 ingredients, and all of these ingredients are great for your hair. This recipe does not have any preservatives, so only make the amount that you're going to be using within a 2-week span. The shampoo does tend to last only about 2 weeks or so. More than that, I don't suggest it. I feel like it's helped my hair be healthier and shinier when I do have it curly, and when it is straight I don't see as much damage after I wash it. So if that is something that interests you, keep on watching, and if you would subscribe I would really appreciate it. And let's get started. So let's get started. We're going to use aloe vera gel, 2 bags of green tea, flaxseed, and vitamin E capsules. First thing we're going to do is cut the aloe vera plant, and we're going to cut really close to the skin so that way we can have full access to the gel. Make sure you get all of the skin because we don't want that in the shampoo. We're going to then scoop out the aloe vera gel and put it in a plate. Now let's move on to the flaxseed. You're going to put a cup of water to boil. Then you're going to add half a cup of flaxseed. We're going to stir that up and let it sit there for a little bit, about 5 minutes or so. You'll know when the flaxseed is ready when the seeds don't stick to the spatula like shown here. You're then going to drain it and let it cool down. Make sure that it is not hot when you add all the ingredients together. Next, we're going to brew the green tea just like if you were brewing a cup of tea for yourself. Step is to get the vitamin E capsules, cut them and put them in the blender. Flaxseed gel has cooled off, and now we're going to add everything in the blender. Remember that this recipe does not have any preservatives, so at this point you can add some if you would like, but I would suggest that you only make the amount that you're going to use in the next 2 weeks. Done, make sure that you are going to pour in a glass container. and your homemade shampoo is ready. It smells really good and has a lot of nutrients for your hair. Hope you enjoy, and if you do make it, let me know in the comments. Bye!